Alrighty, here we go. So today's homework number 53 for Thursday the 12th. So same thing as yesterday. All right. Now I kind of switch a little bit. So I have you guys do more repeating decimals than terminating decimals. Okay. Because those are a little bit more complicated. All right. So let's do one with terminating decimals first. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to pick a problem where one number is repeated, the other number is not repeated. Okay, just to make my point. Okay, all right, let's do this one. This looks pretty good. All right, so let's see. All right, I'll get my pen. Okay, so this is, I'm going to do this up here, all the way up here. All right, so 49 divided by 50. Okay, so now 50 cannot go into 4, 50 cannot go into 9, so 0 times 50 is 0. So 49 minus 0 is 49. Add a decimal, add a 0, bring that down. So 50 going to 490. How many times? Yeah, 9 times, right? 9 times 50 is 450. So the leftover is 40. And then a 0, bring it down. 50 going to 400. How many times? Yeah, 8 times. 8 times 50 is 400. Subtract. So there you go, 0.98. All right, again, to put it in, you just put in like this, put the answer in like this, just right? And that's it. And that's it. Okay, all right. So let's do one more. Let's do a repeating decimal question. Okay, now 9/11. Now I'm gonna just double check real quick because I want to see if they even on Delta Math if they can even do this. All right. Nope, this won't do. All right, let's see. Oh, this is good. This is really good. Okay, all right. So this is the perfect example to use. Okay, so here I'm gonna set up shop here. Start up here, man. This might be a really long question. I'm gonna start this. Okay, all right. I'll start here. I also don't want to write all over my own face either. So, all right. 41, 60. 60 can I go into 4? No, 41. So that's 0 times. 0 times 60 is 0. So that's 41 when after you subtract it. Decimal, add a 0, bring that down. 60 going to 410. How many times? Think about it. Let's see. 8 is no good. 8 times 6 is already 48. So 7. Nope, even 7 is too high. All right, so it's going to be 6. Okay, 6, 6, 36. So that's 360. So that's 50. Add another 0. Bring it down. All right. Yep. 60 going to 500 how many times? All right. 6 times 7 is 56. No, 6 times 7 is 42. 6, 8 is 48. Right. 8. Hold on. The lights just went off. So let's see. 8 times 6 is 48. So 480. That's 20. Add a 0. Like that, right? 60 going to 200 how many times? 3, right? 3 times 6 is 18, right? Now, this is where the pattern starts to emerge, as you can see, right? Because that's just going to be 3, 3, 3, so on and so forth. You see that? So the question now, the bigger question really is how do you put that into the answer for Delta Math so they'll mark you correct, right? Oops. What is it? Yep, down here, right? So you can see it already. Okay. So this is our answer, 0.68333, like that, right? So what we're actually want to write is this, right? Am I right? So now this is what you do, okay? Look carefully at where my cursor is. Down here, I'm gonna put in 68, like that. And then I'm gonna click over to this side where the area under the repeating bar is highlighted in blue like so. Put in the 3 like this, okay? You see what I'm doing here? All right, I'm gonna click on submit. All right, this is exactly what I intended to put in. This answer right here matches my answer originally. Click on yes, and there you go. Okay, so that's how you do the problems. That's how you enter the solutions into Delta Math, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Have a good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Friday. All right, bye now.
OMG, that was so good.